I'm Alex. I'm the Commercial Solutions Manager from Venergy Solar. Established in 2009, we are the most established, longest standing solar installer in South Australia. Venergy Solar is very proud to have delivered this project for the City of Playford at the Virginia Horticulture Center as part of their energy efficiency upgrade program. We have delivered a 40 kilowatt solar system featuring the Trinasolar Vertex S panel. This boasts N-type i-TOPCon technology. The council's requirements were very stringent and they conducted a competitive tender process. The council wanted a system which is robust, reliable and high efficiency. Venergy Solar feels very confident participating in tenders knowing we have a great partnership with Trinasolar. Their wide range of high efficiency, high output panels help us stand out amongst our competitors.